Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time for me to play and talk about Nobody Knows the Trouble I've Seen on page 35 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 1. This is a fantastic piece that gives a little bit of trouble maybe to some student, because these two bars, I should say this bar and the preparation, sometimes indeed create trouble to students. Before I play it, I want to talk about this beat, and then I will play at faster speed and then slower speed, because indeed it's the only point that needs a little bit of explanation. Assuming that you remember that we are still in Thompson Part 1 and the position indeed is the one that I now officially call Thompson Part 1 position, with both thumbs on the middle C, we have discovered all the 5 notes of the right hand. The C, the D, the E, the F and the G. We are still missing the note that you will have to play with the little finger of the left. We stopped at the G. So, on the left hand, we are indeed here. Here we are playing the G. You remember that this is the G? Yeah, this is the C. We are skipping the B that is in between them, the one simply lying on the 5th line. It should be exactly this one that is in row. Back to Nobody Knows. This is A, obviously. This is the G. Once you have played the G with the 4th finger, you have to hold it down. Let's look again. There is the tie. And then what do? You add on top the 2 notes that have to be played with the 5th and the 4th finger. They are the G and the F, or F and G. F with the 4th and the G with the 5th. Let's look one second at the right hand. If this is the position of the right hand, the 4th is on the F and the 5th is on the G. And we are so having the G down that you have played on the 3rd count of the previous bar, you simply have to add F and G. And this is what you will get in the last bar of the 2nd line. Nothing less, nothing more. To help, I want to write one second the fingering here. So it's indeed 4. That will definitely turn useful for you. Time to play it at faster speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I want to play it slowly. In this way you can check even more how I play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Here we are. So There is the only problem, I confirm. Is exactly the only one. The other ones are definitely, I mean, there is nothing atypical. You had already one count note, then two counts note, and one count. So the two counts in between two one count notes, something that you already played. You know how to play the dotted minim or dotted half note. There is nothing else that should be complicated for you. So obviously, in case you have any question, because you think that you need any explanation, I will definitely be happy to reply to your comment and maybe to address you to some of the previous videos, or why not, maybe to add some extra short video to explain. If it's the first time that you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next. Bye bye.